Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove or hide Meta AI in your Messenger app. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger app, then go to the Meta AI chat. Here, tap the eye icon or info button at the top right. Then, tap mute notification and choose until I change it, and this will stop Meta AI from sending alerts. You can also delete the chat by pressing and holding the conversation, then tapping delete. If Meta AI still appears, you can block the Meta AI profile by searching Meta AI, then in the search bar, open and select block. And note that Meta currently doesn't allow users to completely remove the Meta AI from Messenger, but this method helps to hide or silence it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.